Hey there, fellow WordPress enthusiasts. Are you scrolling through a long post and struggling to find a specific section? So today I am going to show you an amazing features that will make your reading experience breeze, adding a table of contents. So let's get started. There are some few steps. First, go to your admin panel and click on plugins, add new button. Install and activate table of contents plugin. So search the plugin name. There are various plugins available, but for this tutorial I am using Easy Table Content, Easy Table Contents. You can see this. So click on install now. It is user friendly and highly customizable. That's why I am using. So let's just click on activate button. Now step number 2. Once you have installed this button, this plugin and activate this plugin, go to the settings. So settings, you can see table of contents on the dashboard. You can see there are some settings available. So for our website, we just check, it is automatically checked post and pages, auto insert and enable support. So this is the position setting before first heading. You can change any options according your choice. So by default, before start first heading, after first heading, after first paragraph. So I am choosing as a default. And here the option, when two headings are present, you can set one heading, but I am using 2 by default because one heading is already in the top position, so no required to go to the next section. So you can change anything. So step number 3, configure the plugin settings suit your need. You can customize the appearance, position and behavior of the contents. Feel free to experiment and find the perfect configuration for your website. After configuration of the after configuration the setting, we can start a table of contents. So here you can see the theme. You can change the colors, border color, title color, link hover, link visited color, heading text direction, left to right, and there are so many headings available. So by default there are all headings checked. If you exclude any headings, you can just uncheck, so it will not make the table content list. You can change the CSS style. So there are multiple, and you can remove the column. So first let's see the save and check the effect. Now I have inserted go to our post. Let's see. So you can see, let's check this post. You can see they are showing a table of contents. Before it was not showing. So you can see this is very small heading. So let's see what heading tag we are using for conclusion. So this is using for 4. Now I don't want to see the conclusion in the list, so I uncheck the H4 as well. So I just want to consider as 3 and then save. So it will remove from here. Let's see, load. Okay, so it has gone now. Step number 5. Go to your text editor and you can see the TOC button. This is coming after installing the plugin. So if you want to change the position of the table of contents, you can click on anywhere. Suppose I just want to right now it is showing the just top of this header. So I just want to suppose here. So I will click here, and this is the shortcode is coming, and let's see the preview. You can see it is coming after first heading, first point. Okay, so you can easily reposition according to your choice by default, but I don't want to use custom. I am happy with the default. And one other setting, you can create your shortcode as well with the help of this is default shortcode, but if you want to edit you can copy this shortcode and paste anywhere, but I don't think this is required because this TOC button already generating the shortcode. So that's it in this plugin. And I already explained the step number 6. You can customize any type of customization like limit, smooth offset, 30, heading, exclude heading. You can type here a specific heading you want to exclude in between this list. So you can just copy and paste here. So it will automatically exclude, but this thing we have to apply within the post. So you can just copy and paste here and save. It will hide from this. Suppose this is coming here, reload the page, it should be gone. Now you can see third point is gone, remove the list. So this is the settings. Now and then step number 7, save your changes and preview the post page. And we have seen, wow, now your table of content plugin is working perfect, and you can reach your any head section easily, last, second, third. So this is working perfect. So you can see this is very easy to. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. For more exciting WordPress tutorial, feel free to leave your message, suggestion comments below. Until next time, happy content creation. Thank you.